Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a yellow bracelet by using a couple of pretty simple stitches. So for that you need yarn, and I'm using a yellow acrylic yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. To start, we're going to make a slip knot, and this is how I make the slip knot. Just place it on the hook and tighten. From here we're going to make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once we have completed the 4 chains, this is the front, we're going to do yarn over and do an incomplete double crochet in the back of the very first stitch. So this is my front right here. Those are my first 4 chains. I turn it and I will catch this stitch right here. Try to catch all of the threads. And then we're going to do yarn over, pull through until you have 3 loops on the hook. And from here you would do yarn over, pull through 2. And normally to complete the double crochet you would do yarn over and pull through both, but instead of that we're going to do yarn over, insert again into the same exact place, the back of the first stitch, grab the yarn, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to do that one more time. Yarn over, insert in the same place, in the same stitch, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 4 left, and then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to complete by going 2 at a time. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and yarn over, pull through 2 more. So this is what it looks like. From here we're going to continue by making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again this is the front. Yarn over, turn the work, catch the back stitch behind the first chain, pull a loop until you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and now we're going to do another incomplete double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch, pull another loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and then we're going to do that one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 4 left on the hook, and we're going to finish them by doing 2 at a time. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and yarn over, pull the last through 2. So there is my second. Okay, so this is going to be the pattern for the entire bracelet. 4 chains, then we make 3 incomplete double crochets in that back stitch, 1, 2, 3. So I've completed 3 incomplete double crochet. So now I have 4 loops on the hook. We're going to crochet 2 at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. So that's how it looks like right now. So let's keep doing these until we have a bracelet that is long enough to wrap around your hand. Alright, so I have completed the bracelet. This is long enough to fit around my hand. So what I'm going to do is pull out the yarn. And then cut. From here on, you can make a sliding knot. And this way you can close it in and out. Just make sure you make a knot on each side so it doesn't come off. Okay. Cut the excess yarn. And there we go. Super cute. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and come back for more videos. Have a good day, everyone.